3 scariest sounds in Brookhaven. Number 1. If I go here to the graveyard, there's an empty grave, and if I go inside it, something really weird will happen, and I'll have to press this button, which will make this sound. Number 2. I'll have to join Brookhaven and click this button. Then I'll use this ID, and I'll get this secret hat, but it has secret sounds that I'm sure you've never heard before. Number 3. But before, leave a like and subscribe if you love your parents. If I get any house in the game, then press this button and activate this effect. Ghosts will appear in the house, making very bizarre sounds.